Baba, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can you please tell me your name?
Sàngówale, Ibuowo.
O nome é Sàngówale, Ibuowo. Can you please talk a little bit about yourself?
I born in a family for the Sàngó. It's my brother. It's family of Sàngó. Junior brother, senior brother is our family. Sàngó.
So all the family belongs
Sàngó.
for Sàngó.
All the family.
Pronto, eu perguntei sobre se ele podia apresentar um pouco. Ele disse que pertencia a uma família de Sàngó, que o pai, os irmãos mais novos, mais velhos, que toda a família pertencia a Sàngó. How many years were you when you initiated into Sàngó?
It's 13 years.
13 years when you initiated to Sàngó.
Yes, 13 years.
And when did you start learning about Sàngó?
Because it's our family, it's Sàngó people, it's Sàngó family. So I start to the learning in small before I carry for the Sàngó.
Ok. Ele iniciou-se com 13 anos, iniciaram-no com 13 anos, mas ele diz que pelo facto de ter nascido numa família de Sàngó, que ele começou a aprender desde criança muito nova, muito jovem.
Yes.
Can you explain me, when you say I work with Orisa, what is exactly the work you do for me to understand?
Only thing I read from logo.
You do divination
Yes.
with the logo.
Yes, for the do medicine.
That's what you
For
do,
the
to
only
help
for
to the people.
for the help to the
That
people.
is what you do.
Only for the
Just one question. When did you start learning the R&D logo?
I start to the learning like I thought of the before in a small. Before I carry for the Sàngó in 13 years. I started in a small.
For the, to
Yes,
know
to
the
the
divination. Eu perguntei exatamente para explicar qual era o trabalho dele. E ele disse que o trabalho dele era fazer adivinhação, que fazia adivinhação com o R&D Logum, que é com os búzios, que fazia rituais, que fazia ebós, dava às pessoas, fazia a medicina tradicional e que começou a aprender o R&D Logum desde muito pequenino, muito antes de ter sido iniciado. I would like to talk about the Sàngó initiation in Oyo, about the 17 days. Can you please explain me about this 17 days initiation, please?
Because these people know 17 days, it's 21 days. Because it need to be start for the prepare from Ikaru in error. In 4 days before you need to be carry for the Orisa.
Wait, let me understand. It's 17 days. 70 days is when is inside. 70 days inside.
17 days
Inside.
You need to stay inside for 17 days.
So,
after carry for the Sàngó,
okay.
you need to stay for the
17 days.
So before for the 17 days, you need to be doing to the one from Oro.
Yes.
Is Ikaru, Igero. So Ero need to be stay in the pot before for you to be need to be carry for the Sàngó in the head for 17 days.
So it means 17 days inside.
Yes.
Plus 4 days outside.
Yes.
Is 21 days.
Yes.
Eu perguntei sobre a iniciação de Sàngó em Oyo, os 17 dias. Ele disse que 17 dias de iniciação é quando a pessoa é recolhida, quando faz a iniciação de Sàngó. Mas antes da pessoa recolher, ainda tem mais 4 dias, que são antes, em que eles fazem a preparação das folhas e também do Ekaro, que tem que ser preparadas as folhas e meter dentro de um pote antes de carregar, antes da iniciação de Sàngó. Baba?
Yes.
You said that the initiation is 17 days inside, 4 days outside. That these 4 days you are going to prepare leaves and do a carol. Are you going to prepare leaves for 4 days? What are you doing with the leaves for 4 days? Can you not prepare it in 1 day?
You cannot prepare it in 1 day because you can do it in 4 days for the older days. is Yoruba thing for the power to the enter, for the good to the live to together, for the live, for the strong, for the somebody need to the carry for the second the head, the cause for the live to the enter inside to the body, for the have to the power point, because second need to the enter, only thing he need to the prepare for the live before he need to the carry from Orisa. He need is this leaf he have to the power is one pot. He cannot go down in the floor. He need to put to the one 3 stone for the floor for the.
So the pot cannot touch the floor.
He cannot touch to the floor because for the he need to the power. He need to the stay like inside for the 4 days. Is leaf he need to the stay there.
Uau. Ele disse que durante os 4 dias em que eles preparam as ervas, porque eu achei realmente estranho 4 dias para preparar ervas, ele diz que é muito, muito importante a preparação das ervas. Porque durante a preparação das ervas, as ervas têm que ficar preparadas durante 4 dias antes da iniciação da pessoa. Porque as ervas, o poder das ervas, têm que trazer o poder de Sàngó para que esse poder entre no corpo da pessoa. E são preparadas, colocadas num pote, em que o pote não pode tocar no chão, porque no momento em que o pote toca no chão, perdem o poder. Então estão 4 dias dentro de um pote para que realmente o poder de Sàngó possa penetrar dentro do corpo das pessoas. So, Baba, we know already that in the 4 days is the preparation of the leaves, the caro. Now exactly what happens during these 17 days? Can you explain?
In 17 days, like 3 days, you need to be doing another oro. 5 days, you need to do another oro. 7 days, you need to do another oro. 9 days too, you need to do another oro. 13 days, you need to do another oro. 17 days, you need to be doing for the finally. Why you need to do? Why you need to be doing? Because inside to 17 days, you need to the bath to the leaf every day. You need to the drink to the leaf. These people need to take to the something, to the like cream, to the cream for him in the body, because for the Sàngó to the enter inside to the body is last day.
But Baba, I'm very sorry. You said they put something in the body like cream. Is something special that Sàngó people use, like medicine?
Yes, it cannot talk to these people. For the after these people coming to the carry from Sàngó, it cannot.
Okay.
So these people
you use in the body during 17 days.
Yes.
So, and why you use all these during 17 days, the leaves and all these in the body of the person for?
Because for the Sàngó need to the enter inside for the body for him. Because for the him need to be strong. Like this person, like Sàngó people for the old years, for these people send to the something for him. Because Sàngó is very strong.
I understand. Ele falou, eu perguntei sobre os 17 dias, para entender o que é que realmente se passa durante os 17 dias. Durante os 17 dias, ao 3º dia, quando a pessoa entra, ao 3º dia, eles fazem o tororô, ao 5º, ao 7º, ao 9º, ao 13º e ao 17º. Durante estes dias, eles têm diferentes orôs para Sàngó, para a pessoa. E disse que durante esses 17 dias a pessoa vai beber o preparado das folhas, assim como vai tomar banho, para que fortaleça o poder de Sàngó dentro do corpo. E também utilizam algo tradicional que ele não quis dizer o que era, que besuntam ou que passam no corpo da pessoa para que o poder de Sàngó fique dentro do corpo, pronto, do iniciado. Baba, what happens in the last day? So we know already that on the 17th day that it goes inside, it will come out.
Yes.
But exactly what happens in this last day?
Is in last day, he need to be going to the market for the society of Sàngó people. So they need to be follow him. So after go to the market, these people give to the money is Ìyàwó of Sàngó.
So after he comes 17, he goes to the market.
He need to go to the market. Is his wife for the Sàngó. These people can call him his wife, like these people in the market. So after come back, him too, he need to carry for the Sàngó for him.
Carry like how?
Like in the hand.
You need to carry the Sàngó in the hand.
In the hand. So after carry for the Sàngó in the hand, it's like is Ìyálórìṣà or Bàbálórìṣà for him. Sàngó for the Bàbálórìṣà is Ìyálórìṣà, because is one person need to take to the koto for him to go to the river in the first day. They need to carry for the Sàngó. So after carrying is Ìyálórìṣà for him, he need to put his Sàngó Bàbálórìṣà in the head to be going to the whole family for the
in the compound.
In the compound for these people know another wife
has entered.
Enter.
Let me understand. So after you come to the market,
yes,
the Ìyálórìṣà,
yes, for him,
that carry the koto in the head to the river,
yes,
the same person,
yes,
we carry his Sàngó in the head, in the head of the woman,
yes,
and go around the compound.
Yes, it's Sàngó of Bàbálórìṣà for the carry for the Sàngó for him. And you understand? Is for the somebody carry for the Sàngó for him, like I carry for the Sàngó for the one person. It's one woman need to take to the koto. For
your family.
Yes. So is Sàngó my family.
I understand.
Is Ìyálórìṣà need to be carry him, need to take to Sàngó for him, hand like this.
Not in the head.
No, him. For the some person carry for the Sàngó, he need to take Sàngó like hand like this.
So what this woman will do
is Sàngó for me. He need to carry in the Sàngó for the head. In my head, he need to carry in the head.
The woman will carry the Sàngó in the head of this person.
Yes.
What does the person carry in the hand?
Sàngó for the person, he need to the in the hand. Is okay for him. This person
he will give to the woman to carry in the head and to go around. I understood. A questão é o que acontece no último dia, no 17º dia. Ele diz que no 17º dia é a saída, não é? Além de fazer outro orô, ele vai ao mercado com o povo de Sàngó, porque é a nova mulher de Sàngó, a nova Ìyàwó de Sàngó. Então, a comunidade tem que saber que existe uma nova Ìyàwó de Sàngó. Então vão ao mercado, as pessoas dão dinheiro, as pessoas dão coisas, como seja bem-vindo à comunidade. Depois disso, regressam ao templo, ou à casa, à comunidade de Sàngó, e o iniciado, a Ìyàwó de Sàngó, a nova Ìyàwó de Sàngó, carrega seu Sàngó, o seu Ipori, na mão e dá a uma das esposas de Sàngó da casa que no primeiro dia da iniciação dos 17 dias carregou a cabaça na cabeça ao rio, ela vai receber da nova Ìyàwó então o Ipori da nova Ìyàwó, que vai carregar na cabeça em toda a comunidade a apresentar a nova Ìyàwó de Sàngó. É isto que acontece no último dia, para que todos saibam que existe uma nova Ìyàwó na comunidade e que é bem-vinda. Baba?
Yes.
Another question. Everybody talks nowadays about 3 days initiation for Sàngó. I want to know that, first of all, I want to know something. How old are you, Baba?
Yes. Older, like 40 years.
40 years.
Yes.
Eu perguntei-lhe a idade porque é importante. Ele disse que tinha 40 anos de idade. Baba, this 17 days is only in the time of your father, or you still do it today?
These people do it today in Yoruba.
They still do it.
Yes, in Yoruba.
So, Baba, what is the meaning of 3 days initiation?
Because it's doing for the white people like the foreigner people. So, because for the foreigner people is coming to descend, you need to be doing in 3 days, or you need to be doing in 1 day. It's foreigner people, not is Yoruba people, or like in your you cannot doing in 3 days for our children. Because I need to start, like you need to do the error, like I told before, error. For the start, for the carry, for the Sàngó, you cannot doing in the error for our children. Only thing I need to carry for the Sàngó for him.
So, but Baba, why for the white people? Only because white people wish 3 days?
Yes, only for
so olden days, people not do 3 days?
These people not do it to the 3 days, only this. Anybody cannot do it to do this. Only my father not do it to the 3 days. So not do it to the 3 days for the children.
Only if white people ask for 3 days,
yes.
he will do 3 days.
Yes,
if they ask 1 day, he will do for 1 day.
Yes.
But if they wish 17 days, 21 days,
for this,
they will do the same thing. Eu perguntei se estes 17 dias ou 21 dias, se eram só antigamente ou se também fazem hoje. E ele diz que ainda se fazem hoje os 17, 21 dias. E o porquê dos 3 dias? Para ele explicar porque não consigo entender os 3 dias. Ele diz que os 3 dias é feito normalmente para as pessoas estrangeiras. Eu perguntei porquê. Porque elas pretendem 3 dias. Se elas pretenderem 1 dia, eles fazem 1 dia. Eles fazem aquilo que a pessoa desejar. Não podem forçar a pessoa a ficar os 17 dias. Mas se a pessoa desejar os 17 dias, 21 dias, que eles também fazem. Mas que para as crianças, os filhos biológicos deles, eles não fazem 3 dias, porque as folhas têm que ser preparadas, o axé tem que ser preparado para que realmente entre no corpo das crianças e que realmente a iniciação seja com axé, com poder. Foi isto que ele disse, que não é comum entre o povo Yorubá fazerem os 3 dias e que antigamente ninguém fazia 3 dias. Let me ask you, now you know, why everybody talks 3 days, 3 days, 3 days everywhere, 3 days, 3 days, 3 days? Why? It's only because of white people?
Because of fashion.
It's fashion, become fashion.
Yes, it's called fashion. Because it's older days, these people do it in 17 days. Soon after something start to happen, these people need to be released. When you do Yoruba, you cannot do it in 3 days for the children.
But in Yoruba, it's always 17 days or 21 days, or is always 17 days.
Always is 17 days. It need to be started by 21 days because it need to be built to a law in separate. So Yoruba, it cannot do it to the carry for the Sàngó. I talk about your Sàngó, not talk about your another Orisa. It cannot do it in 3 days. So for the 3 days start with another person for the start. Because I know for the 3 days start. So, but you know for the 3 days to the start. Yes.
Baba, you said you know when this 3 days fashion starts.
Yes.
Can you please tell me?
It starts by,
when?
By the house for the Professor Abimbola.
Why?
Because for the after carry for the white people, for this house, they talk out to their hour start for the 3 days because these people will start to be working. They need to be looked for the 3 days only for the 3 days start.
Ele disse, eu perguntei o que é que significa pronto, 3 dias, porque todo mundo fala agora numa iniciação de 3 dias. Ele disse que 3 dias virou moda, porque antigamente ninguém fazia 3 dias. Que o povo de Sàngó em Ibuowo não faz 3 dias para as crianças, para as crianças que são de sangue, que são filhos deles, que não fazem por 3 dias. E que sabe quando é que começaram com a moda dos 3 dias. Eu perguntei como é que isso começou. E ele diz que começou com o professor Abimbolá, na casa do professor Abimbolá, quando ele trouxe pessoas estrangeiras para serem iniciadas e explicou que as pessoas tinham que trabalhar e que não podiam fazer a obrigação em 17 dias, 21 dias, então que só tinham 3 dias. Então começaram com a iniciação de 3 dias para as pessoas estrangeiras.